also have the ability to rotate images in Pillow. And since we can't have images, it's not a thing. Images are always rectangles. We cannot have a diamond shaped image. Okay. Every image is a rectangle with horizontal and vertical lines. So when we rotate an image 45 degrees, in Pillow, it will by default cut off the corners that don't fit inside that original rectangle. It'll keep the same size, and it'll cut off parts that don't match up. If we want to keep all of the parts of the picture and we were willing to have a bigger size, we can add expand equals true to the rotate command, and it will do that instead. So let's go back to my strawberry image because I'm getting tired of looking at those buildings. So let's rotate the strawberry. And we won't show that. There we go. So the strawberry rotated, looks like that. And those are the edges of the picture. If I make it smaller, you can see. You can also change the default color of the background if you want. And then if I want to keep all of the parts of the picture, I would use expand equals true, just like this. And it keeps everything, but the picture size changes. So those are the rotate commands.